Today we will be replacing the battery on an iPhone XR. Be sure to use the Werx repair mat to keep screws organized. Some screws have the same sized head but contain different lengths and can be easily misidentified during reassembly. Required tools: anti-static mat, anti-static wristband, iPhone XR repair mat, heating pad, magnetizer, suction cup, spudger, plastic opening tool, pentalobe, Phillips, and tri-point screwdrivers, and safety glasses. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any glass shaken free during the repair. Always wear the anti-static wrist strap when repairing a device. This will prevent static charges from being discharged onto the device's logic board, which will cause irreversible damage to the device. Be sure that the Werx repair mat is located above your work surface. Power on your heating pad and set to 75 degrees Celsius. The iPhone XR screen is held onto the device with a strong adhesive. Place the housing onto the heating pad for approximately 2 minutes. The iPhone XR has 4 adhesive battery release tabs. Two tabs on the bottom of the battery and 2 tabs on the top of the battery. Using the pointed end of your plastic spudger, loop the pull tab. Reheat the housing on your heating pad if there is any resistance. In any case the pull tabs tear, the use of a battery pry tool is necessary. Only use the rounded end of the battery pry tool in the safe zones located in the repair guide. Avoid these danger zones to not cause any damage to the wireless charging port or the volume flex. Remove any remaining battery adhesive that may be still adhered to the frame. Properly recycle the old battery. Remove the new battery from its packaging. New batteries come with adhesive pre-installed. Remove the pink plastic bag from the battery, exposing the adhesive. Place the new battery into the housing. Use the battery connector flex as a guide to properly align the battery. Do not plug the battery in at this time. Apply pressure firmly onto the battery to help the battery adhere to the housing. Locate the frame adhesive that was included with the new display assembly. Remove the blue plastic backing from the frame adhesive. This is signified by a pull tab. Easily match the orientation of the adhesive to the frame by the assembly cutouts. Use the flat end of a plastic spudger to help apply pressure evenly to seat the new adhesive. Remove the top layer of blue plastic of the frame adhesive. Remove the yellow rubber piece protecting the pentalobe screw brackets on the bottom of the display assembly. Now we will reconnect the earpiece sensor flex connector to the logic board. Next, we will reconnect the LCD and digitizer flex connectors to the logic board. Place the earpiece sensor flex cable bracket back onto the logic board. Install the 5 screws that secure the earpiece sensor flex cable bracket into place, following the screw layout on the Werx repair mat. Place the display assembly flex cable bracket back onto the logic board. Secure the display assembly flex cable bracket to the logic board using the 2 tri-point screws, following the screw layout on your Werx repair mat. Remove the remaining blue plastic from the back of the display. Reconnect the battery flex cable connector to the logic board. Carefully shift the display assembly to the left about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Place the battery flex cable bracket back onto the logic board. Secure the battery flex cable bracket back to the logic board using the 3 tri-point screws, following the screw layout on your Werx repair mat. Make sure the top clips of the display assembly are properly aligned with the frame. Carefully adjust the clips with as little pressure as possible if they are misaligned. Once the top edge of the screen is flush with the frame, run your thumbs down each side of the device, pressing the screen firmly into place. Install the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom of the device next to the lightning connector. Turn on and test the device. Contact Werx for any questions related to this repair.